Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be taking a look at a projector from the company Vankyo. The packaging is very nice and it shows off the projector on the front here. It is called the Vankyo Leisure 430. The projector comes with a really nice carrying case that will keep all your cables organized. The case has a nice dual tone and the fabric feels rough to the touch. And it also has a nice little handle to make it easier to carry around. So first off, you will get a quick start guide and the instruction booklet. They provided some very long Q-tips and a cleaning cloth to keep the lens clean. It comes with an AV cable, the adjustable foot, then there is the 5-foot power cable. You will most likely need an extension cord if you plan on putting this in the middle of the living room or using it outside. And then there's the HDMI cable, then the remote that reminds me of the Alexa voice remote. It is very sleek and it requires two AAA batteries that are not included. Now to the main event, the projector is strapped down and the projector is very compact and lightweight, coming in at 2.88 pounds. On the right side of the projector you will find the VGA port, next to it a HDMI port, then a USB-A port where you can plug in a USB drive with movies on it or connect it to your phone. Right above that is the SD card slot if you prefer loading up movies there. You get a variety of options. Next to that you get the AV out and headphone jack. Right below that is an air vent. There's also one on the back and on the right side next to the power port. Underneath the projector is the speaker and another air vent. It has rubber feet that gives a bit of clearance underneath. The feet are very simple to put in. You screw it in the front here and then just adjust the height as needed. On the front you get the Vankyo branding behind clear plastic, and a plastic lens cap and the IR sensor for the remote. There's also one in the back. On top you have the focus ring and the keystone that gives a plus or minus 15 degrees tilt. On the top you also have the power button, the menu button, the source button and the back button, then your select wheel and the OK button in the center. So I connected my Chromecast to the projector, and the nice thing is that I can connect the USB-A to the projector to power my Chromecast. So it works out great. This is where my Chromecast will reside from now on. It would probably look nicer if you have a Fire TV stick or something like that, but this works for me. The Vankyo projector native resolution is 1280 by 720p and upscaled to 1080p. The screen size can go from 32 inches at 1.5 meters to 236 inches at a distance of 8.6 meters. The picture quality is pretty good from 32 to 55 inches and it looks sharp. Once you start going bigger, you can really start to notice the pixels and it doesn't look as sharp. The colors do tend to pop a little and the overall viewing experience is good. For the edges, they do seem a little bit soft and blurry depending on the casting angle. Now going over to the settings, you have a few input source options. There's the VGA option, the HD is for HDMI, the screen mirror is for casting to it from your device. Then there's the AV source and the USB and SD card source to take you to the same menu page. In the picture mode you can switch between standard, soft, user where you can adjust the contrast, brightness, color and sharpness, and then there's vivid which I chose. You can also change the temperature, the aspect ratio and the noise reduction. You can put a sleep timer on, you can change the language and there's quite a few options. You can also factory reset it from here and do software updates with the USB drive. You can also select the sound mode, which brings me to the quality of the speaker. The audio quality is decent, it's loud but it doesn't sound that great. It's good for a small room and maybe the living room if the projector will be close to you. I would recommend hooking up a speaker to it. But it is nice that it comes with a built-in speaker for those times you forget the speaker if you ever take it on a trip with you. Now here's a quick audio sample. The projector fans do get quite loud, but not loud enough to be bothersome if you have it next to you. The fan noise does fade away when you're watching a movie. So the projector works okay when casting to it. There is some lag every now and then for like a split second. It isn't too much to make the viewing experience unenjoyable. It has been working great with my Android device and it also works great with my girlfriend's iPad. It's nice that you can cast to it, but I normally just browse with my Chromecast, which gives me zero issues. So the projection looks better in person than what you are seeing on the video, just to let you know. So overall, this mini projector is a nice portable projector. With the quarantine going on, you can have a nice little movie night in your backyard. It would look better if you have a projector screen than on a plain wall. So this projector is going on sale on Amazon right now for $129, and Vankyo even hooked us up with a 20% discount code that will end on September 30th. I will leave the link in the description with the discount code in case you want to take advantage of the discount. Alright guys, so that concludes today's review. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful, subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.